Hi everyone, thanks for tuning into EasyLiving.com. So, today I woke up and unlike every other morning, my wife was angry. She was pretty upset. And I asked her why. She said, look, throughout the night you were snoring and I couldn't get enough sleep. Now we realized that snoring can be really agitating or upsetting to the person that's sleeping next to you. So, like me, you snore. Did you know that there are certain conditions that actually contribute to it? Such as being overweight, smoking, drinking alcohol, and having nasal and sinus problems. Now the question is, where does the sound of snoring come from? Well, to put it in simple terms, it's the constriction of air into your lungs. Your tongue falls back, thus narrowing the inflow of oxygen. But the focus of this webisode is more than just the irritating sound. There are serious health consequences behind snoring, and that's what we intend to explore. Did you know that while snoring, the brain won't receive sufficient amount of oxygen? And as a result, it may cause high blood pressure, heart attacks, and strokes. Research has shown that snoring may even lead to type 2 diabetes. So how do you take action? Well, there's 2 steps. First, try certain remedies at home. For example, tilting your head 4 inches, put an extra pillow under your head. Make sure the air in your bedroom is moist. You can buy these mini humidifiers, add some drops of eucalyptus to it, and you'll have a better flow of oxygen in the room. And the third are nasal strips. They open up the airflow and you'll get a good night's sleep. Now these remedies may not work for everyone. If your snoring problem is severe, you will have to check in with a doctor. It may actually be sleep apnea. And this is a topic we're going to carry on and have a conversation about over the next 12 webisodes. Sleep apnea is serious, and there are medical solutions and devices that can help you overcome it. Thanks for watching EasyLiving.com. I'll talk to you next time.